Hey guys, this is Ashton. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, let me ask you a question. How much GB or how much money do you spend on your YouTube videos? Let's take an example over here. You bought a 500 gigs hard drive costing 2.5k in the market, and you're a YouTube core content creator who makes tons of videos every single month. Now, once you reach 500 GB of your hard drive, will you purchase a new hard drive? No, don't make a mistake. If you're watching this video, don't buy a hard drive. Buy a hard disk and convert it into a hard drive. Now, for converting a hard disk into a hard drive, you have two options over here. You can use the cable or the case. I would highly recommend to use the case because once you use the hard disk and plug it into your hard drive, it becomes a one piece. Where you use the cable, it becomes really tedious to keep it with it. Now, the hard disk over here comes for 1.5k in the market. With the case, it comes for around 500 rupees. Altogether for 2000 rupees. So you save 500 rupees. Plus, next time when you buy a new hard disk, you don't require the case. You take out your old hard disk from the case and you plug in a new one and you save thousands of rupees. Now, which case you should buy? Depending on the size of the hard disk. If the hard disk is a 2.5 inch, buy the same case for it. It should say as 2.5 inch HDD case USB 2.0/3.0 to Sata. That's the case you should buy. And now which hard disk also you should buy? There are 3 points you should notice for buying a hard disk. First, the RPM. What does RPM mean? When a byte or bit enters the hard disk, it takes rotation per minute. That means RPM. The more rotation, the more time it will take to store. The less rotation, the less time. Now, a 2.5 inch over here will take around 5200 RPM, where in a 3.5 inch will take 7400 RPM. Depending on the size, is 2.5 inch much better or 3.5 inch? I would highly recommend for going for the 2.5 inch. It is much better, due to which 2.5 inch is compact and it's really easy to use. Where the 3.5 inch you might have to require to give a power supply for charging it up. Now, last but not the least, the cache memory. What does cache memory mean? Cache memory means when you start or boot up your hard drive or hard disk, it shows over there 500 GB, but some 10, 20, 30 MB is already taken. That means your cache memory. It's a small place for storing your memory. That's what's the meaning of it. Now, how to connect your hard disk with your case is really simple. What do you get with the case also? You get a screwdriver, a USB cable and a pouch to keep it. Now, take your hard disk case, unscrew the screws of the top notch, take out the top notch, put your hard disk in, connect the SATA cable connection and back the top notch, screw it up all together and bam, it's all good to go. How to use this hard disk as a hard drive? So, first of all, connect the USB cable into your PCs. Then, if you're using a Mac OS, simply go down to disk utility, go on unmount and then you can format it over there. If you're using a Windows computer, first of all, click on my computer, go down to the settings, figure out and go to my properties and figure out the hard disk over there and then you can format it. Now, what are the pros and cons of it? First of all, a hard disk comes really cheap. As I said, for a 500 gig hard drive come for 2.5k in the market, hard disk comes for only 1.5k. Second, you can use it both places. If you want to make a PC or build a PC, you can use this hard disk over there also. And third, both hard drive and hard disk has 1 year of warranty. So it's almost the same thing. These are the 3 pros I figured out on buying on a hard disk. Hey guys, if there's any questions over here, you can comment down in the comment section. I'll be happy enough to help it out. Till then, take care. See ya. Thank you. Goodbye.